So to write your first code using the Ruby language or in the Ruby language, simply open a file, save it with the extension .rb and write the following command. So we are going to print a message or the message hello world on the console. So the instruction used or the statement used is puts, then in between parentheses the message hello world, of course between quotes. Save your file, and then on the terminal from the folder where you saved your file run the following command: ruby hello.rb, which means Ruby followed by the name of the file where you saved or where you wrote your instruction. And that's it. This is the message written, and this is your first program using the language Ruby. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.